Hello, people of the internet. Klaus here, e-commerce business coach. Just a quick video about the status of e-commerce. Obviously, the pandemic has forced a lot of people to buy online, so numbers are going through the roof. Probably the highest increase in the last 10 years of usage of e-commerce stores and online purchase. So that's the good news. On the other hand, a lot of businesses that were either not online yet or did not have their stores optimized are obviously going into the market, investing time and money to get better in selling online. So that's the news. Depending where you are in the game, you might see more competitors getting a piece of the cake. So for that bit, it is very important that your online store is as conversion optimized as possible. One thing that I see with a lot of stores is that they don't get their value proposition right. So basically, you should do the 5 seconds rule where you put someone in front of your store, show your store for 5 seconds or let them browse your store for 5 seconds. And then they should tell you, what are you selling? What's your value proposition? Why should they buy from you? What's your USP and so on? Most of the stores, to be honest, don't get that right. So they try to sell immediately without explaining what they're selling, why people should buy from them, and so on and so forth. So 5 second rule really should be something in your mind, and working on your value proposition should be one of the most important things that you can do to optimize cold traffic on your store and converting them into buyers. Value proposition sounds easy, but it's not. You really have like these 5 seconds and you need to pack everything in a headline, as a sub-headline. That's something I do with my customers. First thing when we start with my program. So if you're interested in my implementation program, message me and I will get you all the details. Other than that, happy selling and chat soon.